Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel, and today we're going to be showing you the Garrett stock turbocharger for the LLY to LMM Duramaxes. Big day for us here at Thoroughbred Diesel. This is our first run on our new camera. Our old camera, RIP'd it. We had it since how long? No, 2013, yeah. And we've got a new sound system. We got our new little microphone here. It's got a little fuzzy hair, you know, not like me. Still got a little bit of darkness in it, no silver. But today we're going to be showing you the Garrett turbo for the LLY, LBZ, and LMM turbochargers all in one part number. So as you know, Garrett is the OE supplier for those three Duramax platforms and also for the LML, excuse me, turbocharger. So what Garrett did was consolidate down to one part number that fits for all three of those Duramax platforms, and that's this one right here. At the time of this filming in 2025, the part number is 848212-5001S. Again, this turbo is drop-in and does not require any tuning for the LLY platform, the LBZ platform, and the LMM platform. So one part number, one-stop shop does everything for you. Now, this is a brand new Garrett turbo, so no core is required for this turbo for you. This is competitively priced as a brand new turbocharger against any of the remanufactured offerings that are out there in the marketplace. Now, with this Garrett turbo, you will be receiving a brand new vane position sensor. A note on the vane position sensors, this vane position sensor is not a direct hookup for the LLY trucks. You will need the vane position sensor adapter from Garrett for this. If you have an 04 to 05 truck or LLY, we all know that VIN code, 8th digit of the VIN, if it's a 2, it's an LLY. Then you will need the vane position sensor adapter. The vane position sensor adapter is available as an add-on on our website for this. Also comes with a brand new actuator. Now, this turbo does not come with an install kit in the box. Reason for that, because the turbo fits three different platforms, there's actually a couple of different installation kits or gasket kits that you will need for the different platforms. So we offer the three different installation kits on our website as well that are an upsell with this turbo. So if you want to drop in turbo, if you've got an LLY, LBZ, or an LMM truck and you're having turbo problems and you're needing a new turbo, we suggest you go with a brand new Garrett, which again is the OE supplier for that turbo for those trucks. No core needed for this. One part number fits all three platforms. And remember, if you have an LLY, you'll need the vane position sensor adapter, which is an add-on on our website. As well, you will need to purchase separately the installation gaskets. That as well on the sell page for these turbos is another add-on. So Garrett turbo OE for the LLY, LBZ, LMM. We've got them in stock here at Thoroughbred Diesel and be glad to get one to you. Thanks for watching.